Again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in that episode, I told you that after passing of matriculation, I got admission intermediate arts from the distance of 5 kilometers away from my house. That was Tajpur, where I got admission and start studying. And some of my friends who met during my study period. So, and some of my friends told me that if you want to good communication and want to learn this language, so that you can join any coaching institute where you can easily get this knowledge very simple way. So what happened then? I got admission, but lots of institute there. This language they are just teaching, but the way of teaching was not so good. And they just gave me some basic knowledge, and I got this. And then after I feel that it was not easy for me. If I would have been just continue with this, then how long time I will have to take for learn and speak in front of any people. So then after I some of my friends who told me that you start shadowing practice, you just start practice in front of mirror. And slowly I got this. And but one thing I would like to tell you, my dear friends, if you want to learn this language and you want to get fluency, then you will have to do anything. You have to do anything. So there is no one who can help you, who can just make your work easy. So try to speak in front of mirror, and you do every day. If your consistency has been continue, then it is easy, and it will be easy for you. So I was talking about the journey of my English. So then after what happened, I just start this way, but there is no any institute where teach me right way. And that's why I start it myself. I started it myself because whenever you do not do, and how can you get it? When I had started this, that time I didn't know how to speak, how to read in newspaper, and even I don't know how to translate into Hindi and Hindi to English. So you gain gradually, and at a tandem you nothing get. But first of all, you have to keep patience. Apart from this, you can communicate with your friends, make the environment, and there is the environment which affect very good if you do continue. So thank you for watching, and be continue with me. I will tell you my story of learning English in another episode, and give me suggestions, and you give me comment, so that I could also tell you some interesting story. So I have a lot of story that I will tell you in another episode.